Master the phrasal verb, put away, in English. Hello language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson on phrasal verbs. Today, we're diving into the world of put, phrasal verbs, and more specifically, we'll be focusing on put away. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use put away like a pro in your everyday English conversations. Our first step to mastering the phrasal verb, put away, is to understand its definition. The phrasal verb, put away, generally means to put something back in the correct place after using it, or to store something where it is supposed to be. But as with many phrasal verbs in English, put away can have other meanings depending on the context, which we will discuss later. Now that we have a basic understanding of put away, let's see it in action. Here are some sentences that illustrate how put away is used in everyday English. 1. After dinner, I always put away the dishes. 2. Could you please put your toys away? 3. The librarian is putting away the books. In these examples, put away is used to indicate the action of returning something to its rightful place after usage. As mentioned earlier, put away can also have other meanings depending on the context. 1. In a legal context, put away can mean to imprison or incarcerate. For example, the criminal was put away for 10 years. 2. In sports, especially in soccer, put away can mean to score a goal. For example, the striker put away the chance with a fantastic shot. 3. It can also mean to consume or eat. For example, he can put away a whole pizza by himself. Understanding put away is one thing. Using it is another. Now, let's do some exercises. Try to create your own sentences using put away in its various meanings. It's a great way to practice and reinforce what you've learned. That wraps up our video on the phrasal verb, put away. Remember, the key to mastering phrasal verbs is context and practice. Use put away in your conversations and writings, and soon it'll be a natural part of your English language skills. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.